Collision mitigation system limitations. If any vehicle moves at heading angle greater than plus or minus 20 degree to the host vehicle, system may not consider it. Driver must be alert and take control. Due to poor visibility by camera, like sunlight or any other source of light on camera, system may not function as intended. Driver must be alert and take control of the vehicle. At night, if the preceding vehicle's tail lamps are not in symmetry or mounting positions are unusual, system may not function as intended. Driver shall be alert and take control of the vehicle. System may not consider if a pedestrian suddenly jumps into the lane or area very closer to host vehicle. Driver shall be alert and take control of vehicle. In the case of pedestrians, whose body part is obscured by umbrellas, bags, special clothes, etc., detection may not be accurate, and system may not function as intended. Driver shall be alert and take control of the vehicle. If the illumination is low or poor visibility, system may not function as intended. Driver shall be alert and take control of vehicle. System may not function as intended with fast-moving pedestrians. Due to sensing limitations, driver must be alert and take control. System may not function as intended with pedestrians with lower height. Driver must be alert and take control. Automatic emergency braking system will not detect sudden entry of other road vehicle into host vehicle's lane. Driver should take control of the vehicle. In a road intersection, target preceding vehicle may be lost, and automatic emergency braking system may not provide braking as intended. Driver must take control of the vehicle. When the road gradient changes, preceding target vehicle may be lost, and automatic emergency braking system may not function as intended. Driver must take control of the vehicle. If the height of the preceding target vehicle is very high, the sensor may not detect it, and automatic emergency braking system functionality may vary. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Any blockage to sensors, detection will degrade, and automatic emergency braking system features may not function as intended. Automatic emergency braking system may not slow down sufficiently for road curves. Driver should take control of the vehicle. In case of poor visibility, driver must take the control of vehicle. If the front radar is exposed to the surrounding road structures, that may affect the detection performance. The front preceding vehicle may not be detected normally. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Automatic emergency braking system does not slow down the vehicle for speed breakers. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Automatic emergency braking system does not slow down the vehicle for potholes. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Automatic emergency braking system does not slow down for barriers or blockades. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Automatic emergency braking system does not slow down for oncoming vehicles. Driver should take control of the vehicle. Automatic emergency braking system does not activate for small animals. Drivers must stay alert and take necessary actions to avoid collisions. If radar misaligned vertically or horizontally,